Also, guys, make rest. This is gonna be scary. This is gonna be hard to go down because I died many times. So let's do this. Turn up the volume. It's scary, guys. Ah! Alright, this is the best step. The only thing I hate is borders. Like, yeah, that thing. Alright. Ugh! I lost some of it, guys. Go, go, go! Oh my god! I made it back, but I only got one thing. Oh god. Alright, guys. I think I survived, but I survived once. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Man, I might need a team. I might need my homie, Raymond Vic. I need that, bro. I need that, man. I only got one. Man. Sometimes when you bump something, guys, boom. Lost it. Darn it. That sucks. Alright, guys. Peace on. Bye.